This video is a very basic tutorial to show how to create and format tables in Word 2016. I'm Dr. Lisa Henderson. In this video, I will show you how to create a table, type text into a table, format the text, size the columns of a table, and center the table on the page. Let's get started. I've opened a document in Word 2016. It has two short paragraphs, and I want to insert a table between the paragraphs. To do that, I'm going to position my cursor at the end of the first paragraph, press the Enter key, and here is where I want to insert a table that will have 3 columns and 4 rows. To do that, I click on the Insert tab here. In the group for table, I click the drop down, and I'm going to draw an image of the table that I want that has 3 columns and 4 rows. And I press the Enter key. That commits the table to the document. I want to use the first row as a header row and the first column as a header column. So in this position, I'm going to put 2017. And in the top of the third column, I'm going to put 2018 estimated. And then at the front of the second row, I'm going to put cattle. I want sheep below that. And then below that, I'm going to put hogs. And I'm going to fill in the numbers. So for 2017, I have 141 cattle. My estimate for 2018 is 163. For sheep, I have 110. And I press the Tab key to get over to the next cell. I'm going to type 132. And then for hogs, for 2017, 126 hogs. Press the Tab key and I have 144 hogs. Okay, I want the top row to be bold. So I select this data in the top row. I'm going to go to the Home tab and choose Bold right here. And I'm going to select this first row, the first column here, and make those bold. Okay, I want to size the columns. I don't need the columns to be this wide. So I'm going to select the first 2 columns. Now I can just click and drag to select the first 2 columns like this. Alternatively, I can touch the top of the column like this and drag across. That selects the first 2 columns. I can tell that because they're highlighted. And I want to make these columns 1 inch wide. To do that, now I've got the table selected, and I know that I've got something in the table selected because Table Tools is active. Table Tools, the Design tab and the Layout tab underneath Table Tools are contextual tabs. Let me show you. If I click off the table, those tabs disappear, and anytime I click on the table, they return. So I'm going to select those columns again, go to the Layout tab under Table Tools, and I can see the width is 2.17. I want to make the width 1 inch. So I'm going to select that, type a 1, and those columns shrink. Now for the third column, I want this to be 1.25 inches wide. So I'm going to select the third column. I'm going to change that to 1.25. Press the Enter key. And now that column is 1.25 inches wide. Also, I want to center the data in the cells. To do that, the easiest way to do that is to select the entire table. Now I have a widget up here in the top left corner. If I click on that, that selects the entire table. And I want to, right here in the alignment group, click Align Top Center. Now, right now it's aligned top left, and I know that if I put my mouse over there, I see align top left. I want to choose align top center, and when I click that, the data aligns to the center of the cells. And now at this point, I'd like to center the entire table on the page. There are a couple of ways I can do that. One of the ways, now I'm already on the Layout tab under Table Tools. I can choose Properties right here and choose Alignment Center. And when I click the OK button, the table will align to the center. I'm going to undo that. I'm going to show you another way to do that. So I just click the Undo button. If I go to the Home tab, I can click right here to center, and the paragraph centers. The table centers. Okay, one more thing that I want to show you is how to delete a table. If I wanted to delete the table, if I select the table and just hit the delete key, the data will be deleted, but the table structure will remain. So if I want to delete the table with the data and everything in it, I select the table. I can do a right click and choose delete table. And now the table's gone. Okay, so that's all for this tutorial. You've just watched Working with Tables, a very basic tutorial. Thanks for watching.